What up, YouTube? So today it's a pretty exciting video because a company sent me something, and this is the first time someone has actually sent me something to review for free. So it's exciting because we're getting there. So thank you everybody for all your support. It feels like it's a step forward into the long-term goal of hopefully doing this full-time one day. But I'd like to introduce you guys to the Vont car light strip. So this is supposed to be a very easy install. About lights that are gonna go underneath by where my feet go, the RGB. Yeah, they sync to music. They have a buttload of colors, and yeah, let's get into it. So here we go. All right, so right off the bat, we're gonna open this thing up. Vont. Buckle up, Buttercup. I feel like I should get that in a sticker. Put it right here. But no, this is literally it, guys. Connects to your cigarette lighter. That's your power on and off button right here. This little red thing. You have a control unit right here, which also has tape. All the tape's already included. I think the most thing I'm gonna take my time with is probably trying to find a way to hide the wires in here. But other than that, you also have a power button here, and this looks like color and probably like brightness or patterns and such. We'll see. And I believe there's an app for this. You can connect this to your phone and control a bunch of stuff on this. So there's four of these panel things that are going to go underneath. So 2 in the front and in the rear. I still don't know exactly where I'm going to put it, but I'm going to put it because I have them, and why not? So let's figure this out. First, I want to test out, make sure everything works. So I'm going to connect it to the cigarette lighter. All right, so we got light. I brought in my trusty light bar that I use. So we're gonna hook up to the cigarette lighter, take this off. We got the cables and all the stuff we're gonna need. They actually even include zip ties. So if you're a drifter, you guys already know these things are gold. So I wonder if I need to power on the car in any way, shape, or form. It's connected. I think that's off and that's on. Let me give it some juice. Let's see. Turn off the air and oh, it's on. Oh, sick. That's bright. That is pretty bright. Let's see what we got. Guessing power button. What do you do? Oh, colors. There it is. Okay, so those patterns. Pulses. That's neat. Okay. So I got steady. I just want steady. Okay. Yellow. Green. Blue. Where's my perps? I need my perps. Hey, there it is. That's most likely what we're gonna have. So nice. That's pretty cool. Take that off. And let's get to installing this thing. I'm gonna unravel it and see how far it goes out, and then see where it could stick under here where it won't get in the way of anything. So let's get to it. All right, update. So I want to make this look clean. I want to run the cables to the other side through the dash. In order to do that, I believe I need to take this off. I tried checking through the bag. I couldn't see anything back here. So my best bet is to kind of run it underneath this a little bit and kind of push it into this gap right there. So in order to take these off, yeah, 2 screws here. In order to take this off, honestly, I just pulled it from the back right here, slid right out. So you got 1 screw right here, 1 screw right there, and in theory, you have a clip right here, another clip over here. So again, that should just be able to come off after these 2 screws get removed. So yeah, it worked. It's pretty simple. Just take off that screw, this screw, pull it off from up here. Honestly, because it's right there, I just yanked it from up there, yanked it from the bottom part. Pops right out pretty easily. And now I should have more than enough room to try to hide or put this cable through here somehow and have a clean look. So I'm gonna start pushing all these cables to the side. I wanted to give you guys a better visual, so I just took off the 2 bolts. At this point, I just pull from top. Okay, never mind, they all came out. That easy. So put them to the side, and I'm gonna try to run the cable somewhere in between here, get it sandwiched to the side. Honestly, I can probably show you guys. Let's see. Trying to see how clean I want this to look. Sorry if I'm moving you guys around a lot, but I'm thinking about this has double-sided tape. So putting this like right here or right here, just to make it look a little cleaner. Maybe like that. And then I gotta run one of these cables to the other side. So this is all the cables that I'm gonna run to the other side. Push that there. And I'm thinking about just putting it back and just having this run through here. It looks like there's enough space without it really affecting it. So I'm gonna give that a shot. Put everything back together and hopefully it cleans up well. Alright, so I changed it up a little bit. I'm actually gonna run the cable through this little crack right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's one of the inserts for the little side molding thing here. If you put your finger in through there, I kind of noticed it went through the other side. I just shoved one of these things in through there and it cleanly went in through. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. It's not gonna get in the way of anything, and all the cables can hide here pretty clearly. So I like that. Okay, so I just finished the passenger side and I gotta say I'm very proud of it. Hopefully you guys can see it, but instead of running, because I have two lights that I can run to the back seats, to 370Z, so I don't got any back seats, and I didn't want to 3M tape it to anything in the back because I don't like it when you can actually see the strips. So I was trying to hide them the best way I can. So I decided to put both strips in the front. So hopefully you guys can see this, but there it is. I'm running the one strip right here. It dangles off the edge a little bit, but it's okay. The rest is glued on. There's the other one, and I'm hiding the cables back here. One of the cables had to run through the front in order for the cable not to go across one of the LED bars. And I just zip tied it to one of the trim pieces somewhere here, but it actually came out pretty clean. And I was able to hide all the excess cables a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see. It's kind of hard to show, but they're all kind of dangling there. I'm almost done cleaning them all the way. And I might not 3M tape this, not 100% sure yet, but let's check it out. No cables on this side. That I'm super proud of, and if I can imitate what I have on this side to the other side, on the driver's side, it's gonna look very clean install. So Vont, thank you for sending this. If you guys want to purchase your own, they're actually very inexpensive. You can actually buy them through Amazon. I'm gonna put the link below in the description, so make sure you guys check it out. So let's head on over to the driver's side and get this going. And I think I'm done, honestly. I replicated the same formula over there from here. Hopefully you guys can see it with the light. So I put one light bar right here, as you guys can see. Starts like right here, close to the door. It goes, this one's a little bit offset it, but it starts right by the OBD2 scanner, and it starts right here. So I am running both lights in the front. You can't see the cables. This is the only cable you'll probably be able to see, but check it out. All I do is this, and it won't get in my way in my driving at all whatsoever. So that's actually pretty cool. You can't see any cables here at all. Besides that, just found this pretty cool card inside the box that it came in, and it actually tells us everything. I don't know if you guys can focus on it, what the buttons do. So there's power, there's brightness, and then one of them changes color. So now we know what the buttons do. So pretty cool little card. Again, if you guys want to purchase your own, I'm gonna leave a link for the Vont car light strip on the description page here on our YouTube channel. So honestly, the install is done. I'm probably gonna leave this to dangle for now until I find a place I know I for sure want to secure it. But as of now, I am done. I'm gonna turn off my little helper light. I'm gonna turn on the car, or at least the power, and we're gonna see how it looks. This is exciting. Car's on, we got power. Now let's turn her on. Oh, that's sick. You guys can see my little feetsies, but oh, that's cool. Oh, that is super cool, actually. Let's see. I think this one changes colors. No, that changes the brightness. Okay. The yellow, green. Where's my purple? Where's my purple? That it? There it is. Oh, that's sick. You can now see how dirty it is. But this is dope. Let's see what it looks like from afar. Oh, this is cool. was a super easy install too. But check it out. Hopefully the camera picks it up, but this is rad. This is super cool. Oh, you can still see the strip a little bit, but honestly it's not bad. It won't get in my way at all. That looks cool. You can also sync to your music too, so it's super cool. Get in my way at all? No, right? No, won't even get in my way. I get nowhere near the cables at all, or the light strips. So Vont, you guys made a pretty cool product. Thank you so much for sending it to me, allowing me to install it in the car and review it. Highly recommend it. Install has been one of the easiest installs I've ever done. I've always wanted one of these lights, even back, I'm gonna turn it off, but even back when with the 240, I really wanted to install these in the car just to give it more of that drift style, and I never did. But Vont, thank you so much for reaching out, and yeah, I'm happy. I got these on. Super easy install. Hardness level, I would maybe say it's 3, if that. The most complicated thing would be probably cable management, but plugs into your cigarette lighter. If you guys want, you could probably modify it. I wouldn't recommend it because they do come with lifetime warranty if you register it. And if you guys want, you know, plug it into the back of the cigarette lighter. That gets rid of everything that you can see from the outside, depending on where your cigarette lighter is. But for the Z, this thing's rad. This thing's awesome. Love it. Highly recommend it. And make sure you guys get yours at the link that I'm gonna put below. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Appreciate all the support that we've been having. You guys have a blessed day.